How to connect Twitter to Facebook. First is by opening your Twitter app and make sure to go to your profile. And then take note of your handle or your username right here. So mine is at iPhone underscore how. Now open your Facebook app, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture right here, or go to menu right here, and again click on your profile picture. And then scroll down until you can see edit public details right here. So click on that one and scroll to the bottom until you can see links right here. Click on add and then click on add social link. Again, click on add social link and you need to choose the platform. Since you want to connect your Twitter, make sure to click on Twitter right here and type in your username. So again, mine is iPhone underscore how. And then once you have done that, click on done and then click on save. Wait for it to load. And whenever you go back to your profile, you need to refresh it. So when you go back to your profile, you may then be able to see your public info, which is your Twitter right here. So that's it. That's how you can connect Twitter to Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.